Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. This is my friend Jessica.
Hey.
We are going to be doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. So she is going to blindfold herself and try and do my makeup.
We'll see how this goes.
I've got everything set up here for her to use, so she just has to grab it, but she won't be able to see that either. So she's just going to reach for something and hope it's what she wants it to be.
Yeah, I'm not a big, I don't know, makeup person. Don't have a lot of knowledge on it, so this is probably going to be interesting.
So if you want to see her get makeup all over my face, then please keep watching.
I can't see nothing. My eyeballs feel weird. Alright, let's do this.
Oh god, I'm nervous.
Hold on, I forgot which one's which already.
So what do you want to do first?
I want to do a concealer.
Concealer first?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is it?
I don't know. I don't know. Here, let's show the camera what you got.
Okay, that seems like the brush to me. Thank you.
Here, I'll open it for you just so you can squirt some stuff out.
I'm just gonna put it on here. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing.
Alright, here we go. I have a feeling you're gonna get it in my hair.
I probably will. Okay. Just, I don't want to poke your eyeballs out.
My eyes are closed. You're fine. You're not gonna poke my eyes out.
So we're just gonna put this all over.
Watch it come out better than when I do.
That's your mouth. Okay. Oh yeah. Get that all over there.
This is
Gotta
really
make
gonna
sure you
accentuate
get
my dry skin.
Gotta make sure you get the eyelids, you know? Because you can't have those different colors. Yeah, that's your nose, okay. Yeah. Okay, gotta get under the nose. Yeah. Okay. Yep. It's working. Okay.
Oh my
We're done with that. Moving on to powder.
What do you have to do after what you just did?
I don't know. What
I think there's one more liquid.
is there? A foundation or something? Where is it? Oh, bronzer.
Here.
Thank you.
Oh, you might need the same brush again.
Oh. Did you pick it up for me?
Mm-hmm.
What the?
You probably should have opened that and seen what it looked like.
I really should have, because I don't know what I'm dealing with here. Alright, we're just...
Oh god.
Alright, just close your eyes.
And what is this?
This is foundation, right?
What'd you put on my face first?
Concealer. I think. I don't know. Alright, that's enough. Okay. See, guys? This is what that is. Alright. Now we take this brush
Oh boy.
and just
Oh boy.
all over.
Oh yeah.
All over. And I think I'm actually doing a pretty damn good job because I'm feeling her face.
That's what I'm saying. Watch it be better than when I do it.
Yeah, okay. Get under those nosies. Yep. Okay. Yep. And then the cheek. Okay, close your eyes.
Oh, they're already closed.
Alright. Okay, you're good. Alright. Now, that was, okay, concealer, foundation, powder. Now it's powder. Powder.
Alright, let's show them what you got here.
I got the Jackie Hill.
Jackie.
Yo, Jackie, hit me up. No, I'm just kidding. Don't. No, I'm kidding. Alright. What am I looking for?
I don't know. Just
Alright. That seems like the brush.
here. Let's show them what you got. Okay.
Pointy brush. Alright.
And what is this?
Jacqueline Hill.
No, I mean like what kind of product?
Oh, this is powder, I think. Right? Okay. So we're gonna do this one. This seems like a good one. We're just gonna apply it all over that cheek.
Oh my god.
You know, just to give it a little bit of highlight and sparkly goodness. Okay.
I bet I am making the worst faces.
Alright. And then we got a cheeky.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Does it feel nice?
Feels great. It feels like I'm getting a facial.
Okay, I'm gonna actually do one on your forehead too.
Mm.
Well, you know, you have to. I'm using it as like a contour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can't wait for you to see this and see what you're actually using and where you're putting it on my face.
I have no idea. Alright, that's good.
Alright.
Now we're gonna move on to a blush. I believe that would be this one.
That was actually perfect.
Really?
Right in the camera.
Nice, okay. Alright, she showed me all these brushes, and I know this one is because it's angled, so this is the blush brush.
Oh god. This is where it gets crazy.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do this one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What did I do?
Hold on.
What did I do? What did I do?
Oh my god.
I wish I could see.
Oh my god. Alright.
Well, what
Oh,
happened?
this is gonna be bad.
What happened?
Just go ahead.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait until you see this.
Alright, wait. Where is it? I need more.
Right. Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh.
Alright. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay. That's enough blush, probably. I'll just put a little bit on it. Okay.
I'm gonna save this just so you can see it when we're done.
Oh, good. Alright, so now what do we do next? We're gonna do bronzer.
Oh.
This stuff actually smells amazing, by the way.
Mm-hmm. I think I might be pretty bronze, and you'll see why when you're done.
I'm gonna actually use this brush too.
That's a good brush. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. I might have got some on your neck.
Maybe. It's a possibility.
Okay, wait. Don't move. Okay. Nice.
Mm.
Looking good.
Oh my god.
Oh, I just remembered.
What?
Was the foundation or the concealer a highlighter?
Yeah.
Oh, I was
No, you're
right.
good.
Okay,
You're
cool. Alright. Do we have a highlighter?
Yep.
Have I used it yet?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and move to the eyeballs. Pray for Rachel that I
I'm
don't
scared.
poke her. Okay, that's it.
Alright, this is what we're using. It's the Morphe 35R palette.
Alright, this is... Oh wait, this is the highlighting brush. This is what I was supposed to use.
No, that's not the highlighting.
This is the highlighting brush.
Mm-hmm. It's okay, no big deal. Trust me, I am highlighted.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and choose a color. I know which one I want.
Do you?
Yes, I do. Oh, that one.
Oh boy. Alright, I'm closing my eyes.
Okay, close your eyes. Alright, this is how Jessica does makeup.
Hey, you're right in the crease.
I know, man. Alright.
Were you whispering something?
Well, kind of. I'm like, I need to get this on there. Alright. Okay. Yes. That'd be good.
Mm.
Alright, and I want to actually take another color that's right next to it. We're gonna just put that all over that eyelid.
Mm. Blending the two together nicely.
Yes, that's what we do best. Blending. Okay. It's all about the fingers. You gotta touch and feel. Oh, that sounds kind of dirty, but you know what I mean. Okay, that'll be good. And then just look up, but keep your eyes closed.
How am I supposed to look up and keep my eyes closed? Alright, I will try.
Okay,
Mm.
just I don't want to bug you in the eye. And just, okay, here we go.
Oh. We're getting the water line here.
Yes, there we go.
Mmm.
Alright, so I think we only have about 3 more things to do, which is...
Here, I'll take this.
Yeah,
You're
you
done
take
with it.
that. Oh,
And there's this.
mascara. This is the brow. This is the brow.
Let's show them what you got there.
That, I don't think that's the brow. I've touched that before. This is... Where'd it go? Alright, that's what we're using.
Okay, hold on. Let me take this
Okay.
cap back. Thank God.
Are you taking that away from me?
No, I'm just putting it back down.
This is it. This is the... No, that's what I just had. Okay, this is what we're using.
Oh,
Okay, here we go. Ready?
not really.
Alright. Just apply that all over that eyebrow.
Mmm.
Trying to shape it the best you can. I'd be good at this YouTubing thing. I should have shaved my armpits, but I didn't do that, so sorry, everybody. Okay.
I don't think getting your eyebrows drawn on is supposed to hurt.
I'm hoping the hell that was eyelash or eyebrow whatever it's called. Alright.
Oh, you should see your hands. Oh, your hands.
My hand?
Yeah. Your hands are a little messy.
Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and do, or try to do the eyeliner. Okay, again, look up, close your eyes.
Are we doing a wing liner
What's that mean?
on the top lid?
Oh yeah, we'll do that instead of on the bottom, okay? Alright. Just hang in there. Okay.
Oh, let's show them what you're using for this.
Oh.
Continue.
Okay.
Oh,
Other eye. Alright. Perfecto. Now we're gonna go ahead and I think I completed everything but the eye mascara.
and there's a lip too.
Oh, and a lip.
Mmm.
Alright, you ready for this?
No.
Well, how? Okay, I can't get to your eyelashes like that.
I'm really scared to open my eyes.
Alright, don't then. I'm just gonna...
Hey, just do them like that. Ow!
Okay, we're done with the eye.
No, that thing is like sharp. What the heck?
Alright, just... It's okay.
Well, that's actually kind of good.
Alright.
Oh my God, wait until you see this. Holy crap.
Okay, now... Lipstick. Thank you for the
Oh.
assistance.
This is just gonna be great.
By the way, this stuff...
Oh, let's show 'em what you're using. Oh. Oh, hold on, I'll show 'em.
It doesn't...
Yeah, this
It doesn't
brand
have a
doesn't
smell, but it kind of does, and it smells a little weird to me. It smells like rubber. So, chemical rubber. I'm not dissing the brand, by the way. It's good stuff. Alright. Your lippies.
Mmm.
Okay.
We're just going a little overdrawn today, no big deal.
That looks good.
I don't know why I have my eyes closed when you're doing my lips.
You probably thought I was
I'm
gonna
probably
poke
scared.
your eye. Alright. Let me see the towel so I can just wipey. I'm about to unveil.
Okay, guys, here it goes.
How did I do? Oh my god!
I look like a really scary clown, like.
Oh my god, you look like the Joker.
I kind of do.
You really-
That's what you were going for, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and let me show you this
crying.
blush.
Oh my god.
That's the color you went like this. She was like this. She went. And put this on first.
What is that?
Foundation.
Oh my god. Oh, that
And then the
was
concealer.
funny.
I think it looks great.
It's a lovely look. If you need me for any assistance, I don't mind helping you.
Business email will be down below.
Yes. Just DM me. No props. I'll do it on the down low. I got y'all.
So yeah, this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please take a second to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.
Cheers.
Bye. I always get nervous filming with somebody else. All right. I don't want to.
Just do it.